class?
23.
Let's add 6 more. Class, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, did we make a new 10? Think about it. Class? No. How many more until we make a new 10? Think about it. Class? 1. That's right, because 9 plus 1 more makes a 10. Boys and girls, today's number is 29. Let's count to 29, and every time we get to a 10, I want you to clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Nice job. Boys and girls, we're going to finger flash 29. Ready? We're going to do our 10s to our left and our 1s to our right. Let's finger flash 29. Ready? 10, 20, freeze. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Nice job. Boys and girls, you can sit down. Boys and girls, today's number is 29. So our new total is 29 equals 10, 20, plus 9 ones. Boys and girls, would you please read the equation with me? 29 equals 20 plus 9. Nice job. Boys and girls, today's number is 29. What is today's number?
29.
29. Say it with me. Today's number is 29. 29 is the same as 20 plus 9 equals 29. Say it with me. 20 plus 9 equals 29. We're going to turn it over and prove it. Count the number of dots. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Nice job. All right, boys and girls, yesterday's number was 23 cents. Today we're going to add 6 more. If I add 6 more, will I make a new 10? Think about it. Class? No. Boys and girls, let's count and see if we're right. Ready? 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, did we make a new 10? No. Boys and girls, we know that there's 1 more until we make a new 10 because 9 plus 1 more equals 10. We know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. Say that equation with me. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Nice work. So boys and girls, I'm wondering if I can trade in any pennies for another coin. Do we see another coin? Raise your hand if you see another coin we can trade in. Oh, do we see 5 pennies? And we can trade that in for a? 5 pennies for a nickel. We're going to trade those 5 pennies in for a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. Let's count to our new total. Ready? 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Our new total for today is 29 cents. So boys and girls, let's rewrite our equation. Okay, we're going to say the equation together. Are you ready? 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 cents equals 29 cents. Nice job. Boys and girls, we have one more part of this routine. We're going to do our number path. Boys and girls, yesterday's number was 23. What was yesterday's number? 23. Today we're going to add 6 more. If I add 6 more, will I make a new 10? Think about it. Class? No, I will not make a new 10. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, today we had 23 cents. and we added 6 more cents. We know from all of our different posters that the answer is 29 cents. Let's make a proof drawing to prove it. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, did we make a new 10 over here? No. Did we make a new 10 over here? No. Boys and girls, should we make a new 10 right here? No. Boys and girls, we do not have enough ones. Let's count our new total. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Do our totals match? Yep. Nice job. Okay, so that's the second grade routine. So remember a few things for second grade. We're going to add 6, 7, 8, or 9 every time for each day. The student leader gets to choose who chooses, or the student leader, excuse me, gets to choose how many we add every day. So they can choose 6, 7, 8, or 9. You're going to notice that right here, our equation has the total first, and then it equals the 10s plus the 1s. Notice it's not 23 plus 6. It's always about 10s and 1s. So the answer is 29, and so our poster says 20 plus 9. So again, our total comes first on this particular chart. The order in which you do everything over here does not matter. So if you want to count by 1s all the way to your new total first, great. If you want to do finger flash first, that's fine. Just make sure you have all of these different parts. So again, we started with 23. Will we make a new 10? The answer is no. We added 6 more. We counted by 1s until we got to 29, and then we finger flashed. When we come over here to this chart, so this is our money flip chart. So remember, we're trading in our coins every time we get to a new 10. So when I pass this marker for tomorrow, we'll be able to trade that in for another nickel. And then 2 nickels we know we can trade in for 1 dime. And so we want to be able to do that all the way across the poster. If you look at this equation, you're going to notice that this one is broken by 10s and 1s as well, but my total is at the end. So it's 10 plus 10 plus 9 equals 29 cents. They're going to be making 10s vertically, and they're going to be making 10s horizontally. Notice that this is painter's tape. Your teacher's guide will tell you to use sticky notes, but sticky notes don't work. So the painter's tape seems to be the most durable and stays the longest. When we get to our number path, you will discontinue this routine when you get to 100, but you will continue to make that total 2 ways. In second grade, we can also add the routine later of students making 29 cents using different coins, so another student leader could be doing that. Halfway through the year, many second graders want to take this with them to the meeting center, and all of the students would be drawing the quantity picture. But notice that we weren't doing 3 plus 6 equals 9. It's not about the actual algorithm here. We already know the answer is 29. This particular part of the routine is actually about showing it a different way.